This is the day of Johannes in Finland, and we decided to get out of the house today, and we've come to this location, and I always butcher Finnish words, so I'm going to try to read this. We are at Nokkalan Majakka. And I'm sure Finnish people can correct the pronunciation of that for me. But what it means is that this is the lighthouse of Nokkala, which is the area that we're sitting in today. And this is my first time being here. And I've ordered a cheeseburger that they're grilling for me. And so we'll come back when the burger's here and show you what it is that they give us. Okay, already I have been having my Finnish pronunciation corrected. I guess I have been saying Johannes. It is not Johannes, it is Juhannus. Juhannus. I'll never learn Finnish, but at least I'm trying. They brought the sandwich, the hamburger, cheeseburger, and I don't know if you can see the smoke in the background here, but that's where they're cooked. And I think it's either a wood or a charcoal grill, I'm not sure, that is cooked on. So, but take it off, has some sort of a sauce, a bit of cheese, lettuce, cucumber, pickle. It's lacking mustard and ketchup, so I'm gonna go get some of that now. There's something I want to mention that you need to know about hamburgers in Finland, and that is 9 times out of 10 you cannot pick up a Finnish hamburger. So, you must have a fork and you must have a knife if you intend to eat a hamburger in Finland. With that said, I am going to test this hamburger and see whether it can be picked up or not, because that is really my test of a hamburger. It's not truly a hamburger unless you can pick it up and eat it with your hands. So let's see how this goes. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would put this hamburger on the pickup ability around a 7.5. There's a lot of grease on my fingers right now. Okay, well, I finished it. I got almost halfway through before I had to put it down and use the knife and fork. So I'm going to change my pickup ability rating from 7.5, and I'm going to lower it down to 5 because I had to eat over half of it with knife and fork. Espoo is basically a seaside area, and even this place here behind us, there's an area where you can get onto a boat, and the boat will take you out onto the water area here, and I do believe that they include dinner with that tour. And so if you like water, this is a very nice place to come and visit. They have some hiking trails, and close enough to Helsinki to get away from the city life and come out and enjoy what the Finns call the nature. All right, we're here today and we're doing magic with Skye. Say hello. Cindy Skye was my featured assistant and one of the burlesque dancers in my Burlesque Illusion show, which ran here in Helsinki for about 2 years. 2 years we ran at a place called Toxicana, and now she's been doing some other burlesque work, and she's also, now correct me if I say this wrong, but she won Miss Pinup Finland.
Yes. I'm the reigning Miss Pinup Finland.
She's the reigning Miss Pinup Finland, and it's all thanks to me. Okay. Can we just say it? Yeah, we'll say that. Yeah, we'll say that. Okay, so we'll try some magic, all right?
All right.
Okay. We're going to do the same thing that we did a little earlier. I'm going to dribble cards, and you just dribble, and you and you just say stop at some point.
Stop.
Right there.
Right there.
You didn't say at some point, but that's all right. Okay,
No.
Go ahead. No, it doesn't matter. Look at the card, show it to everyone else. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, good. And if you can put it right there, perfect. That, yeah, you do remember what it is?
I'm making sure I remember what it
Good
is.
bend in it, I'll be able to find it easily. We'll do this the Penn and Teller way.
Oh.
So, is your card lost in the deck? Sure it is. 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 Okay. Actually, okay, we've given some cuts. We've given some shuffles. So we don't know exactly where your card is. But I'm going to use the top 4 cards in order to find your card. Okay. Now, I must say that there is a chance that your card is one of these 4.
Okay.
Because statistically, there is a 4 in 52 chance that one of these is your card. So if you see your card, don't tell me.
Okay.
Okay. But the first card is going to tell me what color your card is. Okay. And I'm going to say that your card is a red card. The next one is going to tell me what suit your card is. and it's a heart. Your card is a heart. And the next card will tell me what value your card is, and that would mean that your card is the queen, and that means your card is the Queen of Hearts. Yeah? The Queen of Hearts, that's a very interesting card that you have picked.
It is.
It is. I like the Queen of Hearts, and you're the Queen of Hearts too. But, you know, I rather like those ace tricks, you know, where you have the 4 aces. So I'm going to do that one. I'll tell you what though, that Queen of Hearts, I like to keep that one in my back pocket just for later in case something should come up. Next try. That's what it's like here at Nokkalan Majakka. Still not saying it right, I know, but it's as close as I can get. I hope that you've enjoyed this little view of this place. And if you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button and hit that subscribe button so that you'll be able to receive new content. And also, hit that bell icon, and every time I upload a new video, you'll get a notification so that you'll know. Thanks again for watching, and look forward to more. Hey, pa.